Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line annotations are coming from, but definitely want to get things updated here as we go into another day here, and I'm trying to think, we still got a couple days left on the week. But overall, now, and I'm stumbling over my words because I'll be the first to admit this chart is kind of tricky to talk about from a presentation standpoint because there's a lot of different perspectives going into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought up there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, and yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. From the highs, there was a good size pullback, but from the big picture, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher low. And as long as higher lows are being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type perspective going into it. And the reason I still call this overall chart bullish really has to do with this level right here at the $7. And let me actually, I can't remember what this was from yesterday. Yeah, right around $7.45. I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but let's just say that the price once again heads down to $7.45, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario from the big picture point of view? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows down there. If you envision these as stair steps, then the overall stair steps are still very clearly progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And that's why in this situation, that 745 is kind of that progress point, if you will. Now, again, I'm well aware that if you're some sort of day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from a big picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in 1 day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can maintain above there or not. As far as areas of resistance, this is just a basic rule in charting. When levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into tomorrow, 765, that initial area, and then after that, you can start to focus more so on those highs from today, up around 780. But all in all, again, assuming you care about the big picture of it all, the bulls 100% own the chart. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.